Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope everyone is doing great. My name is Shazia Ayub and I'm really excited to share our business box with you. This is a business box that you get once you register with Forever Living products. So this is the one, as you can see, start your journey combo pack. This is what you will get and I'm going to unbox all of the products which you get in this box. ठीक है, ये जो बॉक्स है ये यूएई का बिजनेस बॉक्स है. इसमें आपको सब प्रोडक्ट्स वो मिलते हैं जो कि टॉप सेलर हैं यूएई में, सो दैट इज़ ईजी फॉर यू टू स्टार्ट यूजिंग दैम एंड शेयरिंग विद अदर्स. ओके, तो इसी तरह का बॉक्स आपको हर कंट्री में मिलता है जहाँ पे भी हमारे ऑफिसेज हैं, एंड वी हैव ऑफिसेज इन मोर देन 165 कंट्रीज़ ग्लोबली. हर एक कंट्री का अपना बॉक्स है जिसमें उस कंट्री के टॉप सेलर प्रोडक्ट्स आपको मिलते हैं. So once you get registered with us, registration is free. There is no monthly, yearly or website fees. As soon as you purchase this box, you become assistant supervisor immediately. That means you will be getting 30% discount, profit or commission on your sale right away. Okay, plus you will also get a global license. That means कि आप को जब रजिस्ट्रेशन पे वेबसाइट आपका एक आईडी मिलता है जिससे आपको आपका वेबसाइट शॉप लिंक मिलता है, दैट यू कैन शेयर विद एवरीवन अराउंड यू. यहाँ पे इवन ग्लोबली, इफ़ यू नो एनीबडी, इफ़ यू हैव अ फैमिली आउटसाइड यूएई, दे कैन ऑल शेयर द लिंक एंड परचेज फ्रॉम योर शॉप लिंक. तो वो आपका एक्टिवेट हो जाता है दूसरी कंट्रीज़ में भी. Right now we don't have offices in Pakistan yet, but we do have a very smooth system के products यहाँ से पाकिस्तान जाते हैं on a monthly, it's a cycle. Every other 1 or 2 weeks we do have products going to Pakistan, and we have these boxes also going to Pakistan because we have really big teams in Pakistan, right? तो अभी मैं आपको बताती हूँ इस बॉक्स को आपने क्यों परचेज करना है. जैसे ही आप कोई दूसरा बिजनेस भी स्टार्ट करते हैं, यू शुड नो योर प्रोडक्ट्स कि आप क्या लोगों को आगे यानी कि किस तरह की आप सर्विस दोगे, वो प्रोडक्ट्स कैसे हैं कि आपको बार बार रिपीट कस्टमर्स मिलेंगे, राइट. सो इफ़ यू डोंट नो योर प्रोडक्ट्स, हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू डू योर बिजनेस? Same way, if you don't know Forever's products and you have never used them, how will you know what are the benefits after using these products? I felt the same when I started the business, क्योंकि मुझे था कि ये products मैंने क्यों use करने हैं, मेरे किस काम के होंगे. I had the same feeling, लेकिन when I started using them, I saw the benefits because these are all aloe vera based natural products and they really do give benefits. ठीक है, इट्स नॉट लाइक द प्रोडक्ट्स विच हैव केमिकल्स या फिर कुछ उसमें मिलावट हो, जिस तरह सुपर मार्केट्स में मिलता है, सब कुछ मिलता है. ऑफ कोर्स दे आर चीपर देन दिस, बट इन द लॉन्ग रन आपके हेल्थ इश्यूज स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. बट इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स एंड दीज आर नॉट ऑर्गेनिक बट देन दे आर नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स, दैट मीन्स पेस्टिसाइड्स वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं यूज़ हुआ, इनमें सब कुछ सेफ है आपकी हेल्थ के लिए. ठीक है, सो let's start unboxing this. I will open this box. Here we go. इसमें आपको ये लिस्ट मिलती है जो सारे प्रोडक्ट्स इस बॉक्स में हैं. You will get this catalog as well, brochure, catalog. ठीक है, so it has description of all the products, a short description under each product, so you know what it is for, right? Here I'm going to unbox all of these products. As you can see, यहाँ पे, and then we have these, right? एक एक प्रोडक्ट का मैं आपको बताऊंगी बेनिफिट्स क्या हैं और ये प्रोडक्ट्स कौन से हैं, राइट. दैट्स इट. बॉक्स इधर रखते हैं, सो वी हैव स्पेस, सो आई कैन शो यू ऑल ऑफ आवर प्रोडक्ट्स. सो let's start with our top seller, global top seller है ये product, because everybody is using it. और ये हमारा पेटेंट प्रोडक्ट है विच इज़ एलोवेरा जेल. ठीक है, इसमें जो जेल है इट्स ऑल इनर लीफ, वी डोंट यूज़ आउटर लीफ because there are companies who are using inner as well as outer leaf. लेकिन in the long run if you are taking it, consuming that aloe vera, that means के later on आपकी health issues start हो सकती हैं. But like with this, we only use the inner leaf and we use the best aloe vera, because aloe vera has 400, there are 400 types of aloe vera in the world. And number one is Aloe barbadensis Miller, which we use, right? And our plantation, everything is like pollution free. So as you can see, this is aloe vera gel. You see on the side, you will have all these certifications, stamps of IASC, and then there's kosher, there's halal. So you know that these products have the certification. अब जो आपको सुपरमार्केट्स में मिलता है आप वो चेक कर सकते हैं, उसमें कोई सर्टिफिकेशन नहीं होता है. ठीक है, तो दैट्स वाई इट्स चीप, राइट. तो आपको इन द लॉन्ग रन अपनी हेल्थ भी देखनी है, ये नहीं कि बस हमेशा प्राइस ही देखें आप, राइट. So you should see that. Now this aloe vera gel, it supports your skin, immune system, digestive system and overall well-being. आपकी पूरी जो हेल्थ है उसके सारे जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं वो इंशाल्लाह इससे काफ़ी बेहतर हो जाते हैं. Okay, next we will go for Arctic Sea, which is fish oil. As everybody know it, this is omega-3 fatty acid DHA. DHA meaning it contributes to the maintenance of normal brain function. ठीक है, इसमें omega-3 है, omega-9, calamari oil है, olive oil है. It is really good. And why is Arctic Sea? Because जिस fish से ये fish oil बनाया गया है, they are taken from Arctic Sea, which is the purest sea around the world. ठीक है, ये हो गया fish oil. I'm sure काफ़ी लोगों को उसका पता भी है. Then we have absorbent C. You can see here, right? Absorbent C. This is vitamin C. जो आपको डेली इनटेक विटामिन सी का चाहिए होता है, व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग दिस ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, आपका वो विटामिन सी सही हो जाता है इन द बॉडी. एंड इट्स डिलीशियस नेचुरल ऑरेंज एंड हनी फ्लेवर, and it's vegetarian friendly as well, so it's really good for a healthy skin and nails. Next what we have is Forever Bee honey, right? ये आप देख सकते हैं. This is a natural energy booster. It's 100% natural, sweet, rich and smooth. और vegetarian friendly भी है और gluten free भी है. प्लस इसमें बी पोलन है. बी पोलन इस जब वेदर चेंज होता है, पोलन वगैरह आता है, स्नीजेस, साइनसेस, ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स होता है कुछ लोगों को स्टार्ट, ये उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा है. अस्थमा लोगों के लिए अच्छा है. खांसी, नज़ला, ज़ुकाम बच्चों के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. फिर प्रोपोलिस, इसमें बी प्रोपोलिस है. प्रोपोलिस इज़ लाइक एनीथिंग एंटी, विच इज़ लाइक एंटी बैक्टीरियल, एंटी जो भी है वो सब ख़त्म करता है. जो एलर्जीज़ वगैरह होती हैं वो सब ख़त्म करता है ये. सही है. एंड देन देयर इज़ रॉयल जेली. रॉयल जेली इज़ गिवन बाय ऑल द बीज टू देयर क्वीन बी, कि वो लॉन्ग लाइफ रहे, उसको लॉन्ग लाइफ मिले. दिस इज़ फॉर एंटी एजिंग एज वेल. सो दिस डज नॉट कंटेन एनी शुगर, एनी प्रिजर्वेटिव्स. अगर आप ये बॉटल जब इसको ऐसे करते हैं, अगर आप सुपरमार्केट्स भी जाके तो बॉटल्स को उल्टा करें तो एंड पे जो रहता है दैट इज़ शुगर, यू विल सी. बट हियर यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे डॉट्स होते हैं, दैट इज़ रॉयल जेली. सो इट इज़ एवरीथिंग लाइक इज़ प्योर एंड नेचुरल. ओके, नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव इज़ हर्बल टी. एलो ब्लॉसम हर्बल टी. अब ये वाली जो टी है इस कैफीन फ्री एंड विटामिन रिच इंग्रेडिएंट्स. इट हैज़ सिनेमन एज वेल विच इज़ रियली गुड फॉर वेट लॉस. और आप इसमें दूध शक्कर ना भी डालें, without milk and sugar you can take it hot as well as cold. It's up to you. If you're taking it like hot, so it really helps to lose weight as well. ठीक है. Next what we have is, you can see here, aloe first spray. ठीक है, this is a spray, you get this as well, पूरा पैक हुआ हुआ, right? So it contains 80% pure inner leaf aloe vera. It's fast acting soothing power. That means कि अगर आपको let's say bruises हैं, cuts हैं, rashes हैं, कहीं पे भी बॉडी पे, या तो फिर आपको बुखार हो जाता है, आप फुल बॉडी पे इसको स्प्रे करें तो आपका टेम्परेचर भी बहुत सही हो जाता है, right? So this is also it can be used for hair as well, क्योंकि कभी कभी जो यहाँ का पानी है in UAE is really hot. I'm sure everybody is aware of that. तो उसकी वजह से ना बाल गिरना शुरू हो जाते हैं एंड काफ़ी हेयर फॉल होता है, मेरा भी हुआ है, मेरे बहुत थिन बाल हो गए थे. नाउ यू कैन सी इट्स थिक because I've been using this. I use it daily. It's on my dressing table. I use it, my husband uses, my kids use, we all use this on a daily basis. You just have to just spray on your scalp, massage it morning and night time, and you will definitely see the results after few days. ठीक है, तो ये उसके लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है. Then what we have is aloe heat lotion. It contains warming agents with aloe vera, ठीक है, और it provides relief from everyday stress and strains जो आप काम करते हैं पूरा दिन, and you become really tired by the end of the day, whether you are working outside or you are working at home. For both, like men and women, you can use this, and then it soothes aches, and it's ideal for warming massage. Like for me, I actually have sciatica, and I've been suffering this since a long time now. After I had the kids, now and then I get the pain. जब हल्की होती है तो I use this on a regular basis, especially night time, and it burns a little bit only for a few minutes, and then after that it's really relaxing and you get a very good night's sleep. Also because I have to look after my house, I have to look after my kids, I have to look after my business as well. तो फिर रात तक I get tired. So what I do is मैं इसको थोड़ा सा ना like I apply little bit on my legs and my feet, and it really becomes very relaxing. So you should always have this. In fact जो लोग जिम जाते हैं, fitness में होते हैं, they really need this. This is really good, right? Then next what we have is the aloe vera jelly. This is like a first aid kit, or it's same thing like I showed you aloe first spray. It's pure inner leaf, right? So it moisturizes, conditions, and soothes your skin. You get 2 of these in this box, right? So this is like aloe vera in its purest form, and it contains 85% aloe vera gel. So this is it. I normally keep this in the kitchen so that whenever I'm cooking, if I get little burn or anything, even when you're making anything on the stove and you get that heat, you can apply it right away. It really soothes. Okay, next what we have is the aloe avocado face and body soap. That means कि ये वाला जो soap है, you can use it all over your body as well as your face. So I will show you how it looks as well. This is avocado, so it's in green, light green color. You can see Forever Eagle as well, the logo on top of this soap. So that's how it comes. So it really helps with dry skin. You will definitely feel very smooth after using this on a daily basis, because other soaps that you use do have chemicals, and this has vitamins like A, C, and E, which is really good for your skin, right? So you get 2 of these again in this box. Then we have shampoo and conditioner. You can see both of these here, shampoo and conditioner. This is conditioning rinse. It is with aloe vera and jojoba. Some people call it jojoba, some people call it jojoba, but then the real pronunciation is jojoba actually. Okay, so this contains vitamin A and C. It's great for skin, and it moisturizes and conditions your hair, and it also repairs dead skin cells on your scalp. So it's a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and also, it's very good for children who have lice, because lice, they don't like aloe vera. So once you are using this, and these don't have paraben, okay, like other shampoos, so you can use this on daily basis, because other shampoos you should be using them 2 to 3 times a week, but then because this does not contain parabens, you can use them daily. Okay. And then we have tooth gel. You get two of these again, as you can see here, no fluoride. Okay, so it's gentle, no fluoride formula, and highest quality ingredients with aloe vera, bee propolis, honey, and mint. So it's like a gel form, and you can also make your own mouth refreshener with this. You can just boil a little bit, and add a little bit of tooth gel, mix it, and then use it as a mouth refreshener as well, because this is all natural. So when you have any ulcers, or even gums, bleeding gums, you can use it for that, because my mother had that and she's been using this. She doesn't use any other toothpaste now. She loves this, and even at home we all love it, because if you want, like, pearly white teeth, this is really good. So because even using fluoride too much on a daily basis is not good for your teeth. Or if you want fluoride, then what you can do is substitute once. You can do this once, and then you can use the other toothpaste, once. That means, like, morning time you can use the other toothpaste, night time you can use this, because it's also good if people have bad breath. Even if you are going to use this at night and you wake up in the morning, there's no bad breath. Okay, so this is actually really good. In fact, all the products are really good. So anyways, so here, this we have pocket rocket, we can call it. It has so many benefits, and this is the highest quality lip balm, not just like a regular lip balm. It has jojoba, and it soothes the delicate skin. That means, like, now since I am using lipstick, but I use this lip balm. I applied lip balm on my lips, and then I applied my lipstick, because lipstick contains lead, and you don't know how much lead there is in any lipstick. So if you're going to use lipstick on a daily basis, especially for working women, even at home, like some ladies do want to put makeup, get ready, because it's for your own self as well. You want to look good. So if you're going to use makeup, then it's better, like, you use this aloe lips. It's all natural, and you can use this on your eyelashes, on your eyebrows, under eyes. It's really good for that, for dark circles. And you can also apply fully on your face. It's up to you. So as you can see, this is also really good. uh, Now, if I'm missing anything, I don't think so. So I hope you don't miss out this business opportunity. It's a great business opportunity, in fact. And you can become assistant supervisor immediately by purchasing this box. And it's only one time investment, and it's a minimal investment compared to all other businesses out there. And you are getting the products, not just like you are investing money, right? So even if you don't want to use all of the products, you can use some, and you can share the other products to friends, family, even strangers, relatives, with whoever you want. And of course, that's how you start your base with clients and customers. So these are the products that you get. So let me just count them for you. You get 4 aloe vera gel bottles, 2 herbal tea, 2 this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that means in 1,251 dirhams, you are getting 20 products. So it's fair enough. So that means that's how you start your business. and once you have this box, your ID is activated in all over the world. So you can have your client base, you can have your team members from anywhere in the world. So you are also be tagged into our Facebook team pages, WhatsApp support groups. We have everything done for you. It's just that you start with a business and you have to, of course, work hard like any other business or even any other job. If you are working hard even in your job, that's how you get paid at the end of the month, which is your salary. So here also you should have the same mindset of working hard so that you can get your commissions at the end of the month. In fact, we get our bonuses every 15th of the month. It's never delayed. Even during the pandemic, we were getting our bonuses every month on the 15th. There was never a delay. As you have seen with the pandemic, all the business, they have either shut down, slowed down, or some problems or the other. But in these last 2 years, this company has only seen growth. Overall, 2020 throughout the globe, like wherever we have offices, there were 1 million people who joined Forever as a side income, because I think people have now understood even when they are working, they should have a side hustle or a side business from where they are actually, they can do that part time. So even if, God forbid, something happens and you lose your job or anything, at least you have something on the side. And this business is such, like, not like your other jobs or other businesses that if something happens you have to leave everything and go back home. With this business, even if you are here and you have to go back home tomorrow, let's say, so you can do this business in that country with the same discount, with the same website, with the same ID. So you are safe everywhere. So I hope you liked what you saw, all those products. And then please do share this. Whoever needs this business opportunity, whoever is looking for extra income, I can help you out, and then we can get you started, inshallah. And then, of course, definitely with all the trainings that you get, with all the hard work that you do, we will be guiding you. You are in this business for yourself, but never by yourself, because we work as a team. So if somebody offers you a business opportunity, please do go for it and then learn how to do it later. Don't just leave it saying that no, I can't do this. आप जॉब भी तो करते हो, राइट? तो कल को आपको जो आपके बॉसेस हैं रिप्लेस कर दें अचानक से, you cannot say anything to them, right? Because it's their decision, it's their company. लेकिन यहाँ पे आपको कोई रिप्लेस नहीं करता है. And the other thing is, like, you can build this business and you can leave this as a legacy for your family, for your children. Because like, खुदा न खास्ता आपको कुछ होता है तो आपने जहाँ पे भी बिज़नेस स्टॉप किया है वहाँ से ही आपकी फैमिली भी बिज़नेस स्टार्ट कर सकती है. अगर वो नहीं भी स्टार्ट करते, वट एवर यू हैव बिल्ट, दे विल बी गेटिंग पेड एवरी मंथ. तो ये इस तरह तो कोई भी आपको कंपनी नहीं इस तरह देती कि कल को आपको कुछ होता है तो आप पूरी लाइफ वो आपकी फैमिली को सपोर्ट करते रहे. नो कंपनी विल डू दैट, बट दिस कंपनी डज. एंड वी हैव टेस्टिमोनियल्स ऑफ दैट एज वेल, बिकॉज दे आर पीपल, जिस तरह हम कहते हैं, एज यू ग्रो old and then you start to have health issues or बहुत सारे problems होते हैं. But people who are into this business, because this company is 43-year-old company, so there are people who are doing this business for more than 25 years, 30 years, even more. And if you see their health compared to people who are in our country, you will see a massive difference, because they have been using this product. In fact, they have been drinking this aloe vera gel daily. Every day they have been using this product, right? So that's why they don't have any health issues, and they don't really need to go to the hospitals for major health problems. So they have decided to take care of their health, unlike जो हमारी कम्युनिटी होती है वो इस तरह नहीं सोचती हैं. वो तब सोचती हैं जब उनको हेल्थ इश्यूज स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. सो यू शुड ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट इट इन एडवांस. और ये बिज़नेस अपॉर्चुनिटी ग्लोबल है. इससे अच्छी बिज़नेस अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलेगी. यू कैन चेक आवर मार्केटिंग प्लान, यू कैन सी एवरीथिंग दैट वी डू. ओके, सो anyways, if you have more questions, do follow me, and you can share this video with anyone that you know who needs to hear this. and then or save it for later if you want to, again go back to the video and watch the products as to how I unbox them. And if you need more information, you can message me and I'll help you out, inshallah. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.